Slim, what are we going to do with you? Jesus. Look like a bloody chicken schnitzel now. We haven't even started the bikes yet. Let's go see what's happening. Surprise, surprise.
Go away. Go away.
Smile, Slimbo. What is going on? I see coolant in the bucket. God, put them feet away. Jesus Christ, Slim. Are they alive? Watch out for them jumps. What are they doing messing around with it? Don't tell me it won't start, Slim.
Yeah, it won't start. BIG started again, eventually. But as far as breakdowns go, not a bad old place to break down.
Take 2 on the S-bed. Slim just flipped it, couldn't start his bike. We got it going, let's see how he goes. There he is, PC wee man. Oh no!
Hey, fucking love it.
And on today's episode, Burns and the boys go to the beach. Red lights flashing. I knew that was going to happen. What'd you stop there for, Slim? Gotta keep the camera on this guy. He's my favourite subject. You never know what's going to happen. As if that was ever going to work, Slim. What are you doing? Oh, Bobby! Oh, God. That was messy. He's not the flame with a full deck, that fella. We're blocked in by bush. Oh, no. That's karma for you, boy. Karma. You smell it? For trying to roast me.
No, it wasn't, mate. I was just
Uh-oh. Someone come off. Is he out?
Right, just like that on his side.
Did he get knocked out? Put your head on that. Slim, what are we going to do with you? You look like a bloody chicken schnitzel now.
A few moments later.
Smile for the camera, Slim. Well, all's well that ends well. Looks like he's been in a boxing match. Yeah. I think we'll leave him in the ute tomorrow. And maybe,
fucked.
And maybe teach you how to fly a drone. Are you riding tomorrow?
We'll see. We'll see.
God, stay tuned. More action. Let's go.
folks, we are back. Day 2 in the sand, minus Slim because he's pretty sore after this crash. Looks like he's gone a couple of rounds with Mike Tyson. It's a special place, old Beachport. I tell you, the sand is not the place for 300s, but they sound good. Back on the beach, baby. Oh, where you going? Who wants to go to Barry Island when you get this on your bloody doorstep, huh? Only just there, Pato. Whoa. Oh, so close! Hey, that looks like a bit of a sharp turn you did there. Full noise, Bobby. Full noise. More noise than that. Oh. Oh, here comes the 2-stroke. Easy.
Digging for sandworm.
It's definitely the hole of the day. Getting somewhere. How to kick a man when he's down. Everything's rosy through my lens. You. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, come on! Pedal, 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 pedal! That's a no! And Bobby's going to show a Paddle or not, and he's going to cover him in roast. Oh! Oh no, and they dig in. Get the shovels out, boys. We're in deep. Oh, maybe his chains come off. Parked. Well, how did the chain come off? Has it done any damage? Don't think I've ever seen that before. How can it be on there, and not on this bit? Holy shit. What an operation. That's still solid as. Yeah, that moved. Yeah. Maybe try now. Now we've released the tension a bit. Yeah, stretched. Goes on there, right? Don't go on there. See, look at that, that right on the pin, that spike is there. I've never seen that before. No. Goes through that one section, look, and it folds back on. Well, Beachport claims another bike. We always lose a bike in Beachport, and this one was the 300. But it's a stretched chain, which I've never seen before. Like one section of it is stretched enough that it won't go around the back sprocket, so we've got to get him out to the buggy club, follow the buggy all the way home. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the footage. We'll see you on the next one.